thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you.
Magawa pa yung tungkulin ko bilang presidente sa klase. Cher, o din, Cher! Cher, simula ngayon, maglilinis na ako. Hindi ba naglilinis na ako, eh, no? Pagkatapos na kami sermonan, tinambling na po namin ang aming mga upuan. Pinalisan po namin, Cher, sorry.
Cher, ako din, Cher. Maglilinis ako araw-araw. Naiiyak na si Miss Pressy.
Para sa'yo, Cher. Alam niyo, Cher, kano kayo?
Ilagay niyo sa CD.
Ikaw lang, Emma. Ilagay mo pa kasi, Cher. Wala lang. I love you, Cher.
Happy Teacher's Day!
Sir Arvin.
Uy, ano, lagay niyo sa CD, test panoodin natin.
Cher, alam niyo lang.
Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Ginawa namin para. Cher, wala na akong masabi. Basta.
Kim, ikaw, Kim. Kunyari nagugulo.